guys, today we got Dread Phoenix versus
Dark Hawk. Let's see how they do in this battle. The two evil birds we'll call this video. 3, 2, 1. They're both defense types.
Okay.
Oh my god, everybody.
Oh yeah, just to tell you,
Use this launcher.
Dark Hawk has Silence's bottom.
Oof.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. Take the center.
So Dark Hawk
Versus Dread Phoenix.
yeah, but Dark Hawk, doesn't he have Silence's bottom?
Oh yeah, he has. Oh yeah, just to tell you everybody, if you get this Beyblade, he has wheels under him. So if he's about to fall, those wheels help him and get him back up.
It's not looking good for
They're
him.
like handicapped. Oh, Dread Phoenix.
Dread Phoenix takes that one.
So basically,
First and
this Beyblade has handicaps.
So it's 1-1.
That's a handicap Beyblade.
3, 2, 1.
Let it.
Oh my goodness.
Threw him in the pocket, but then Dread Phoenix got out.
I don't like when that happens. Like when you're like, yes, I'm gonna get a ring of finish, but then that happens.
You. Okay,
Ooh,
Dark Hawk is one.
Takes
it's
another
2-1.
3,
3,
2,
2,
1.
1, let it.
Oh yeah, I forgot to tell everybody. We're going to 10 points. So it's 2-1.
Just almost came off already.
And now it's hitting him. Dark Hawk.
It's more like he just runs into it.
Yeah. Oh,
Ooh, he just got hit in it.
Oh, he got hit in it. Oh, but it still did not take
It's
down
3-1.
Dark Hawk. Dark Hawk has 3 points.
Just to tell you,
Dread Phoenix has
1 point.
1, yeah.
These are 2 evil birds.
I'm gonna keep his armor off.
Yeah, try that out.
2 evil birds.
3, 2, 1. Let it
2 evil birds. You would win.
Okay.
Which evil
I
bird is
can't wait till
stronger?
Sparking Spriggan comes out.
Yeah. Everybody wants to ask that, but
But then why is he just like a circle?
yeah, he looks like a circle. And if anybody saw the picture of Sparking Spriggan, he looks. Say if you guys all probably think that he looks like a circle, but well, to be honest, he does look like a circle.
Very round, very round.
Oh,
Ooh.
2
2
to
to
3.
Let's see who's gonna win.
3, 2, 1.
Let it.
2 evil birds are going against each other.
Okay, Dread Phoenix is taking the center and taking Dark Hawk out of the center.
Our duck.
I'm
Oh,
gonna see how the wheels work.
So yeah. Oh, you might see something. Oh.
That's a tie.
No, that was Dread Phoenix.
so it's 3-3.
That kind of looks like a tie.
3, 2, 1. There. Okay. Look
Either
at
of them
Chris.
trying to take the center? Now they are.
Well, they're both they both have half. Sharing is caring, everybody.
But they don't care.
Dropping the armor.
Don't drop that. That's cheating.
It's not cheating if it's a part of him.
Okay, Dread Phoenix has 4 points.
Well, Dread
So
Phoenix,
I'm gonna put him in slingshot mode, everybody.
and Dread Phoenix can go in slingshot
I'm
mode
gonna
too.
put back on my armor because I'm scared now.
3, 2, 1.
They can both. They're both defense types, but then they can both go in slingshot mode.
Oh, whoa.
And then one has armor
That was
and one
sad.
doesn't.
Yeah,
and,
that was a sad death.
and then one has armor and then one doesn't, but then he has like wheels.
Well,
You should go
Five,
back
what,
in defense.
yeah, I'm gonna go back to normal mode, guys.
Defense.
You guys are probably like, put slingshot mode on because we want to see it. No, because it's garbage.
Did you see how Dread Phoenix
3, 2, 1, let it
destroyed it? Let me guess, Dread Phoenix handled it. I thought so. Dread Phoenix kind of... Dread Phoenix?
So it's 4 to 3.
Dread Phoenix is not good in, in slingshot mode. He's not really good. Most days he's
3 to 4. Judge Phoenix
out
has
here.
4 and
Smells weird.
The stadium just explodes.
okay. He has 4 points.
4 to 4.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
Two people birds. In the game of, like, Blade, is a game of it,
Oh no.
purple,
Slingshot mode is done.
Yeah.
Hawk, he looks like the Kukui
Dark Hawk. Yeah, in the game he does look like the Kukui.
with the mask,
3, 2, 1. Let it
and then just bird feathers on the, like, his hair. And he's all purple. No joke, he looks like that.
And he also, his special move in the game is, if you guys watch Dragon Ball Z, you guys probably know this. Frieza, you know that part like where she throws her giant fireball? That's basically what he does in the game.
That was a tie.
No, it was 4 to 5. 4 to 5.
Wait, who has 5? Okay.
Dread Phoenix is losing. 3, 2, 1, let it rip.
Not looking good for Dread Phoenix. Why are you guys doing that?
Dread Phoenix and Dark Hawk is, oh, Dark Hawk took all the
Armor comes
time.
off.
Dread Phoenix is looking not good. Oh, okay.
That was a tie.
6 to, no that was not.
That was clearly.
Yeah, that was 6 to 5.
It kind of looked like a tie.
No, 6 to 4 actually. Right?
6 to 4.
Yeah, it's 6 to 4.
Wait a minute, let me get this armor back on. If I ever will stop being dumb. Okay, there we go.
3, 2, 1, let it rip. Up.
He didn't come off the launcher.
Just take off the armor.
Wait. Let me do this.
You were good.
So
Yeah.
now you need to do it now.
Alright, there we go.
So,
Sorry
6
for
to
that.
4.
He didn't come off the launcher.
10 rounds has
He wants
passed.
to be stubborn.
10 rounds has passed.
No.
No, not even.
Wait, but it's 6 to 4.
Well, yeah.
10 rounds has
Oh, well,
passed.
I thought you meant like.
Okay, come on. 3, 2, 1, let it
rip.
We're not finished.
Alright. I should count that as no contact.
Yeah, then we'll not count it, everybody. So, that's 6 to,
Still 4?
yeah, 6 to 4.
Come on, Dread Phoenix.
3, 2, 1, let it
Dread Phoenix.
Dark.
You break Blade
Dark.
legs.
Dread Phoenix is losing. Dark Bird.
Dark bird.
I kind of forgot his name, everybody, but okay.
Isn't his name Dark Hawk?
Yeah, Dark Hawk. Sorry.
Okay, that's 5
Dark
to
Hawk
6.
is, yeah, that's 5 to 6.
If your armor comes off, Dread Phoenix,
Dark
do the thing
Hawk-
where how you break a
Dark
blade
Hawk
blade.
needs 4 more points. Dread Phoenix needs 5. 3, 2,
2,
1, let it
If Dread Phoenix's armor comes off, he's gonna do the thing where you break a blade. You just do that.
Hopefully.
He actually does it. That'd be funny.
We haven't had a burst yet.
Yeah.
I mean, they're both defense types. They don't do
True.
damage.
Yeah, that is true. Oh,
That's 6 to 6.
okay, so this is a tie.
I thought Dark Hawk
We
was gonna
both
win.
need to get to 4 points. 3,
3,
2,
2,
1,
1,
let
let
it Dark
And
Hawk
This
is...
is probably one of our least interesting battles.
I know.
Yeah, to be honest.
It's just defense types battling.
At least it's not 2 stamina types.
Yeah, that would have been worth it.
Like they just like hit each other and they does nothing.
They're just spinning. endlessly. Okay,
That was Dark Hawk.
7 to 6. So
If
Dark Hawk is winning.
If Dark,
3, 2, 1.
Yep.
if Dark Hawk didn't have those wheels, I think Dread Phoenix would be winning
Oh
by now.
boy.
Okay, that was some good hits from Dread Phoenix. Okay. Okay.
Use your wheels.
Use the super wheels to help you.
Hot Wheels.
Oh, he's the other one. Oh, yeah, the other one. Okay, so 8 to 6.
He has 2 Hot
Oh,
Wheels.
he was about to burst.
So is he.
That was a good battle.
They both burst.
So that was 8 to 6. 3, 2, 1.
Let it
rip.
rip.
Ooh, Dread Phoenix.
He's kind of tilted.
Dread Phoenix, I don't think he's gonna take the center first. 'Cause I think gonna take that back right now. If he's gonna take the center first.
Okay.
I think this is. I was about to say this is Dread
Okay.
Phoenix's point.
Dark Hawk needs 1 more point. 1 more point,
Does it?
everybody.
Come on, Dread Phoenix, we got this.
Doesn't he have
3, 2,
7?
1.
Let it
rip.
rip.
Doesn't he have
No,
7?
he has 8.
Yeah, but then he has 9 now. So if the Dark Hawk gets a point, everybody, the video is over.
Hey, come on, Dread Phoenix.
Dread
Dark
Phoenix.
Hawk, you can do this.
Dread Phoenix, make this. Yes!
No.
This video is gonna be longer.
So he has 7 points.
7 to
Dread
9.
7
Phoenix
to 9.
has 7.
3, 2, 1.
Let
Let
it
it.
rip.
If they both have 9, that we have to get more ties, and then it will be a longer video. Good.
Maybe.
That'll be good. Really good. Because we're on a longer video. Come on, Dread Phoenix.
Okay, so Dread Phoenix
9
has 8.
Points. Dark
Doesn't he
Hawk,
have 9?
come on, you could do
He has
this.
9.
Yeah, 8 points.
Didn't he have less than he had 7?
Yeah,
Yeah,
he had 7
he has
and then
8
8.
now.
Yeah.
Oh, so
9 to 8.
Learn how to count.
3, 2, 1. Let it
Dread
rip.
Phoenix.
No contact.
No contact.
Dread Phoenix. If we need you to. We need a tie.
We burst it again.
We just need a tie. More ties. It'll be more cool.
Yes.
And then we have a long video.
Everybody would like it.
They both burst and then they both fly.
Oof.
Next thing you know, he's gonna break the Beyblade. Dread Phoenix. If
Okay.
Dark Hawk wins this, I might as well call him the best bird that's a dark.
3, 2, 1. Let it rip. 8 to 9. Dark Hawk. Come on, you can do this. Don't let Dread Phoenix win. So,
Dread
to
Phoenix
be
has
honest,
wins.
I want him
He
to
is the
win.
superior bird.
Yes.
We
the,
just-
the most evil bird.
Well, if Dread Phoenix gets 1 point and then they get tied, they'll be more.
No, he lost.
No.
Guys,
Well,
that's
there you
the-
have it, folks. Everybody
Dread Phoenix
he dead.
sucks.
No, he does not.
Well, he's pretty good, but then he just lost.
So,
This is the best bird.
Dark Falcon is the best bird
Look at him.
so far.
Versus
But
the
there's
best bird
probably,
Beyblade.
yeah, in Beyblade vs. Rise, there's a better one. There's better Beyblades that are birds. So, also,
Bye, guys.
subscribe and bye.